Coffee checks you in, but Zach and Cody help you check out. In a hurry. The Sweet Life of Zach and
Me
Cody.
too, girlfriend.
I'm Dylan Sprouse from the Sweet Life on Deck, and you're watching Disney Channel.
What are you doing? You love the camera, huh? Oh, the fake cough. Oh, you diet? Where you learn that from, your fake cough? You smiling for the cameras? You will love the camera, huh? I love you.
What's going on?
Oh. You're shaking your booty? How you get so high? You're getting so high off the ground. Move my diaper bag so we can get a side view. Go ahead, do it again, girlfriend. Do it again, girlfriend. Go ahead, go crazy. Go crazy. Oh, you gonna cough? Push-ups. Push-ups. Say hi, Daddy. I love you. You love your daddy, huh? Say hello. What are you looking at? What are you looking at, girlfriend? Hello? Hello? What you doing? What is this leg position here? Oh, there we go. You're gonna roll over? Got little dancer legs, huh?
Get there early because Francesca Brumman will be there. Horrible person.
You faker. You faker, girlfriend. You the faker? Stop lifting up your skirt.
I'd like to show you, but you're
Okay. Say bye-bye, Daddy. We love you.